Hey everybody, it's Ali Flores again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're giving you tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation so awesome. Today we're going to be talking about that Disney character experience, all right? Meeting a Disney character can be the highlight of a vacation. Children spend hours watching their favorite mouse and friends on the tablet, and now, poof, they're real. Some people spend days, even weeks, putting together their best Disney-bound outfit to pose with their favorite princess for the gram. That's what kids call Instagram. I'm hip to the lingo. Here are some tips on how to have the best meet and greet at Disney. But first, if you haven't done this yet, you know what I'm going to say. Click that subscribe button, hit that icon bell so that you're going to get notified of any of the latest videos for planning your Orlando vacation. Let's get into it. There are two types of characters that you can meet and greet, fur and face. Well, there's also Jack Skellington, who's a hybrid, so 3 types. There's also BB-8, was more of an android, so there's 4. My bad. But typically there are only 2 types that you can meet in the Walt Disney World Resort: fur and face characters. All right, let's talk about the fur characters. Fur characters are like Mickey and Minnie and the other VIPs. They are larger than life, cuddly, and generally cannot communicate by speaking. We miss you talking, Mickey. Core memory right there. I'll be fine. The way they communicate is by what is called animating. They make gestures to tell you their stories. So to help them out, when you meet them, try asking yes or no questions. It's an easy response for them. Another way to keep it simple is to keep your topics to their storyline. Stitch will have an easier time communicating that Lilo went hula dancing than he would if he asked him what Peter Pan was doing. An insider tip from someone who was on the inside, we'll call her Black Widow. No, not that one. Just today. She says that characters, specifically ones in Walt Disney World, actually can only know about their own storyline and are not expected to know about other characters or even interact with them, unless they are from their movie or show. So no, Moana wouldn't typically know who Ariel is. Now, Disneyland characters have a little bit more freedom with this. They also have exclusive characters there, and I'm not jealous that Oswald the Lucky Rabbit is all the way over there. I'm not jealous at all. At all. Stupid Disneyland. Next out of the types of characters are face characters. Like the princesses and princes who can interact with you through conversation. They're a lot like the fur character, except they can talk to you. You can ask them questions, and guess what? They'll answer those questions as long as it's within their storyline. All right, during meet and greets, you can take pictures, get hugs, and have a quick chat with your favorite characters. You can, of course, get their autograph, and if you feel inclined, you can bring them little gifts. Yeah, people at times do feel inspired to give Mickey some cheesecake or Donald some quackers. You get it? Not crackers, but quackers. That quacks me up. That's another one. Guests from overseas sometimes bring little toy versions of the characters you can only find in the other parks as gifts. It's not expected, but it is welcome. Black Widow tells us that she used to work with a lot of the characters. She knows them personally, and they still have all of their guests. They have children's drawings and Tokyo parades filmed on a DVD. Cheesecake, however, they ate immediately. Mickey was hungry. Things that characters can't do is, yes, shocking, I know, they can't propose for you, okay? I know it'd be cute, but the mouse cannot hold your bling for you. Minnie wouldn't be too happy about that. They can be a part of the experience and picture, but they just can't do it for you. And by the way, if you're needing someone else to propose for you, I mean, are you really committed? I mean, seriously, ladies, gentlemen, if somebody's proposing you or they want somebody else, this might be a sign. Just saying, me to you. Okay, so you know about the characters and you're at the front of the line. Now you will hear the character attendant say, please have your cameras and autograph books ready. Do that. Have them ready. You don't want to spend the time you could be getting a big cuddle from Pooh Bear digging through your bag for your phone instead. Now, Black Widow has also let us know that most fur characters can hear and see you just fine. But Mickey, Minnie, Donald, they have a little bit of a problem with peripheral, okay? So help them out by being right in front of them, okay? If you don't have any ideas for photos, you could do the iconic hand on hip, foot out pose. I know. Brilliant. You could do the bevel for the divas. This is always a classic Minnie pose. I think it's this. Or hands out for a ta-da. Boom! Always a crowd pleaser. If you have little ones and they're scared, it happens, okay? Give them time. It's a giant mouse after all. If possible, try to move the child as far from the character as you can. Put them on the opposite side of you, away from the characters, or by going to the other end of the entire group photo. You'll still have them in the photo, but Mickey might not look so intimidating if he isn't right next to your little one. Photo passes will be there to take photos for you to be added to your app. But you can also have the attendant take your photos for free if you just ask them. Now, if you're short on time, you can do character dining. Oh, it's the best. You can get your cake and eat it too, literally. As you are enjoying a meal at specific locations like Chef Mickey's, characters, face and fur will come up to your table and pose for photos and do autograph. It's amazing. You aren't waiting in line. In fact, you're not really waiting at all. You're comfortably eating at a table and they come to you. It's like delivery. Also, there's usually a mini parade or dance moment with the characters where they invite kids to join them. Even big kids, you never know. They're not gonna say no. If you wanna have that Disney character dining experience outside of the parks, Hilton Orlando Lake Buena Vista across from Disney Springs and Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace inside Disney World both offer character breakfasts on Sundays. Now, these are at an additional cost and they do require reservations, so keep that in mind. But we think this is a great way to either start or wrap up your Disney vacations. These are memories you want to cherish forever, so if things don't go according to plan, still take it in, go with the flow. Black Widow one time said that she was working with one of her favorite characters and a nonverbal child came to visit. And both communicated with each other through gestures, pointing and exploring the backdrop. The child didn't want to pose for a picture. They just wanted to walk about with their friend they wanted to meet. Black Widow said it was the most magical experience, not just for the child, but for everyone watching as well. So, don't miss out on meeting some characters when you're in the Disney parks. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at orlandovacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you with the characters. Bye-bye, everybody.